Welcome to the Unit 1 of the course Core Java 101. We are starting with Introduction to Java, and then, in the end, we will take a look at some interview questions from this topic. So let's start with Introduction. Java is a simple and yet powerful object-oriented programming language for the development of softwares. Java programming language was developed by Sun Microsystems Inc. of the USA in 1991. Java was developed by James Gosling, Patrick Norton, Chris Worth, Ed Frank, and Mike Sheridan at Sun Microsystems. So these guys were the team which developed Java. In its starting days, Java was known as Oak. Java is a platform-independent language. Because of this, Java guarantees users to write once, run anywhere. Let's start with features of Java. The first feature is simple. Now Java learning curve is relatively less. Java has a small number of language constructs which makes it simpler to learn. Object-oriented. Java deals with class and objects and also supports OOPS concepts. So OOPS concepts we will be learning in the next tutorial. Portable. Java is an architecture neutral language. So if we have any code written with some specific hardware, we need not to worry about its execution on some different machine. Platform independent. Java doesn't rely on underlying platform. If we write any code, that code after compilation gets converted into bytecode and then we can run this bytecode onto any machine. Secured. Java does bytecode verification process to ensure that code loaded over the network does not violate Java security constraints. Robust. Simply put, robust means how well a language can handle things on its own. For example, Java's capability of handling runtime errors, exceptions, and memory management. Architecture neutral. This means we can run Java on any available processors without considering their development and recompilation. Interpreted. When it comes to Java, it is compiled and interpreted both. The Java compiler translates a Java source file to bytecode and the Java interpreter executes the translated bytecode directly on the system that implements the Java virtual machine. High performance. Java uses just-in-time compiler which enables high performance. Multi-threaded. When any language executes multiple threads at a time, that language is known as multi-threaded, and Java supports multiple threads of execution. Distributed. It is a distributed language, which means that the program can be designed to run on computer networks using TCP/IP protocols such as HTTP and FTP. Dynamic. Memory allocation and garbage collection is done dynamically. So programmer doesn't need to worry about all these things, which makes Java a dynamic language. Now interview questions on features of Java. So the first question is, what is Java? So this we have learned. What are features of Java? So we have seen all the features. Third is difference between C++ and Java. So for this, I'll give you some hints on which you can answer this question. The first is Java doesn't have pointers. Then memory allocation and deallocation. And the third is diamond issue. So you guys can look on these topics and can answer this question. So this is it for this particular tutorial. In the next tutorial, we'll take a look at Java version history. So thanks for watching.